To check your account balance on Protopage, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Protopage website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find account balance section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your balance. Click on the account balance section to view your current balance. Take note of any recent transactions or updates that may affect your balance. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, ensure you log out of your account to keep your information secure. Look for the logout option in the account settings menu. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Protopage. Always remember to keep your login information secure for future access.